My message is basically just like good luck with the college search.
I would say one thing that I would definitely look at as a high schooler looking at colleges is just what is the academic culture in terms of how people treat each other in the classroom and how people treat grades. And because definitely at Oxy, students are helping each other study for exams and people aren't comparing test scores, and it just feels very positive. And you know, people are in group chats and making Quizlets to like help work towards common goals.
You know, going out of state isn't so bad sometimes, but you know, coming from Miami and going all the way to Los Angeles, it was such a brave move. And like, I'm so glad that I took that approach, just because I'm able to like explore a lot more and just become really independent.
The beauty of a liberal arts education is that you are allowed to explore so much first before committing to a certain major. So definitely wish I had explored more classes my first year.
Faculty members and my professors aren't as intimidating as you think they are. I wish I'd like made those personal connections with my professors sooner than like sophomore or junior year.
I wish I knew that it's important to have a work-life balance. I think when I came into college, I very much thought that I needed to only focus on academics. That was the only thing that was important.
Oxy really chooses students that deserve to be here. So if you're coming in, you really have earned this spot, and honestly, it's an honor and a privilege to be at Oxy. Just keep working. Like, you deserve to be here and you're gonna graduate, and it's gonna be great.